Starting with the greatest name of Almighty Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Allah said in His holy Quran that لَإِن شَكَرْتُمْ لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ وَلَإِن كَفَرْتُمْ إِنَّ عَذَابِي لَشَدِيدٌ صَدَقَ اللَّهُ الْعَلِيُّ الْعَظِيمُ. Mr. President, first of all, I welcome all of you from the core of my heart to the Riyazul Ulum Independence Day. Respected guests, dear elders, and my honorable teachers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today the topic which is given to us is about independence. Mr. President, first of all, we need to understand the meaning of independence. That what is the meaning of independence? Independence means independent in one's work. When in 2001, America and its allies attacked on our dear country, Afghanistan, that the brave nation of Afghanistan against it and showed it the great courage, and they able to defeat again in Afghanistan 31 August 2021 years. Mr. President, and that 21 years jihad and sacrifices as a result the occupation ended, and Allah gave us one Islamic system, and we achieved freedom, peace and independence with Islamic system. Mr. President, Allah gave us such freedom that now our whole homeland freed from occupation. And we have such independence that our whole country become independent, our thoughts become independent, our all Afghan nation become independent, and all our decision in the country, whether it is in military sector, economic or political sector, all have become permanent. Third thing, we have peace in Afghanistan. That peace has placed in every point of the country. That now the nation of Afghanistan, from the north to the south, from the east to the west, are at peace, and the nation of Afghanistan are doing their daily tasks with confidence and satisfaction. Mr. President, not long ago, before 2 and 3 years, the nation of Afghanistan, the people of Afghanistan were not able to move from one district to another district, and not travel from one province to another province in their own country with the peace. Mr. President, so now all the nation of Afghanistan should stand beside the Islamic Emirat and never give a chance to the enemy of Islamic Emirat, to the enemy of Afghanistan, to the enemy of this Islamic system. And all the nation of Afghanistan always should to think the jihad. If we take a look to the history of Afghanistan, that super forces like British, Russian, American were defeated in Afghanistan with the help of jihad. Now we achieved independence from occupation. So it is obligatory for all of us to thank Allah for this great blessing. Therefore, all of us to serve Allah and pray to Allah in the right way. So, may Allah, flag of the Islamic Emirat, keep over all the flags always. Ameen. Thanks a lot for your attention.